how to make your GPU run at 100% and get the maximum performance out of it. Now first you will need to right click on the start button and then open up the settings, go to the system category and then display, and then scroll down and click on graphics settings or graphics button in Windows 11, and it should open up this page right here. Make sure the hardware accelerated GPU scheduling option is enabled, and in here you can basically select the app or whatever game you're trying to maximize the performance on. So for example, this app right here, click on options and make sure to select instead of let Windows decide or power saving, select high performance and your GPU. So for example, my Nvidia GPU right here, click on save. Now if you can't find the game in here for some reason, you can click on the browse button and basically navigate to the game exe file and select it. So for example, like this, and then click on add, and it should add it right here. Then you can click on options and set high performance. If your game is installed from Microsoft Store, you can basically switch this from desktop app to Microsoft Store and click on the drop down and find the app or game from this list. Click on it and click on add. It should add it right here, and you can do the same. Now once you've done that, you can go back right here to the settings menu, and for Windows 11 you should find a gaming category on the left side right here. So you can click on the gaming category and make sure the game mode is turned on or enabled inside the gaming category. And once you've done that, you can close out of this and then simply open the start menu and search for power options, and then click on edit power plan, and from here click on change advanced power settings, and in here make sure to select a high performance. You can also go back to the other menu where there is power and settings, power and sleep settings, and click on additional power settings, and from here set it to high performance. This will consume more energy, but it will provide the highest performance possible. And once you've set this, you can close out of that and then open up the Nvidia control panel by searching Nvidia control panel and clicking on it, and then click on manage 3D settings inside the Nvidia control panel. And if you have multiple GPUs, such as integrated GPUs and other GPUs for laptops, you should find a drop down box at the top of this window which says preferred graphics processor. You will need to set this to your high performance Nvidia GPU instead of the integrated graphics. And for the global settings, you want to basically scroll down and under OpenGPL rendering, make sure to select your Nvidia GPU, as well as for the CUDA GPUs, double click on this and select only your Nvidia GPU instead of all of them. Click on OK, and then click on the apply button on the bottom right. And that's pretty much it for this video. Your GPU should be performing better using these settings. And thank you guys for watching, and subscribe.